good, E-Crew? Welcome back to the channel. It's now January of 2023. I think I've convinced myself to finally let go of my Super73 S2. I'm going to be listing it on Facebook Marketplace. I really don't want to let it go. This is really one of my top favorite e-bikes. But there comes a point where there's just no more room in the garage, in the house. These e-bikes, you know, their batteries need to be taken care of. They need to be maintained and taken care of and cycled. You don't want to just stagnant. Because it wouldn't be good for the battery. We're here in Santa Fe Dam, and we're looking for our buddy Greg, who's out for an EUC ride. Let's look for him. With the return of our Super73 RX and our arielrider 52 volts, basically, we just don't have room anymore. This is the only bike in the collection left that is not dual suspensions. Although I'm really comfortable with this bike. For me, it has the best position for my height and my back preference. The contact points are really to my liking. So I'm going to be sad to let it go. However, the market has been real slow lately, and yeah, e-bike sales are down, in my opinion. There's just a plethora of choices these days that it's not how it is. It's not how it was like in 2020. In 2020, you go to Walmart and all the bikes are sold out. Now everything is stocked and life is pretty much almost normal already. There's outdoor events. There's just a plethora of bikes on the market now. And oh, there they are. I've been looking for them, Greg. and bikes are not selling as fast as they normally were in 2020. I'm gonna hang out with some EUC buddies today. I was looking for them. Hey, what's up, Greg? My EUC wasn't charged. I only have a bike. Where are you guys going? Oh, all right. I'll follow you guys wherever you guys go. Okay. Chad?
Yeah.
I'm Julian, man. Nice to meet you. All right, local EUC buddies. All right. I'm jealous of these guys. I just started EUCing and I'm not as good as them. I got the balancing right, but it's really just the mounting and dismounting. And I haven't ridden my EUC in 2 months. It is winter, and you know, I haven't had the chance to really have fun in the sun. It was like all raining all last week. I'm learning some tips from these guys. And sitting down, I finally bought my EUC, my V11 a seat, and I still can't, I haven't mastered sitting down. It feels harder, in my opinion. I think I prefer the standing up position in an EUC. I think they're doing a restroom break. Is that your new one?
This is the Sherman suspension.
Oh, nice. Oh, it is high up.
Yeah, it's almost, he says it's as high as your V11.
Yeah.
I don't.
What are your guys' tips in learning the sit-down position?
It's a series of steps. And start with, are you talking about your V11?
Yeah. It goes down a little bit.
The V11 is the easiest for sitting because it's so high up.
Okay.
It's almost I learned sitting almost before standing.
Oh, I'm backwards.
Okay.
Okay.
Yours should be like right here.
Okay.
And start E-Bike.
Okay. All right, T. Oh, so you.
There's your muscle right here.
Okay, got it.
Your hands touch your feet.
Okay, and then teabag. So you recommend standing up first? Yeah.
This is
The muscles that need to be trained. Got it. The teabagging muscles. Cause I was trying from that position and it was so hard. I'm like, this is hard.
that comes naturally.
Yeah. Kind of like you are.
What's that?
You're tiptoeing. Is that the right position?
It's up to you. It depends on your pad setup.
Okay. Because I don't see your heel on the floor, on the ground at all.
Yeah, I guess
Yeah.
it is on my tippy toes.
Yeah. Okay. So every time I get on it, I'm reversing. So.
From a position, you can just practice like a push scooter.
Okay. Like that. Okay.
You practice.
Got it. Yeah. All right. Let's go for a ride. Going down to Whittier. Going south. I'll try to hang with these guys on a slow Super 73. He wanted me to bring my V11 EUC, but it's not charged. It's dead. And I'm sure I couldn't really hang with these guys. Anyhow, I'm learning from the tips these guys how to use my EUC more. Man, those EUCs are quiet. And I'm trying to keep up with them. I think I'm the loud one on this bike plane. So anyhow, this Super 73 hasn't been getting much use. And like I said, these electric bicycles, though they are low maintenance, they do need to be used here and there, obviously. You don't want the battery being stagnant, stale. It's not really going to be good for the battery's overall health. What's your top speed on that? Well, what about yours? Damn, oh, and that's faster? Jesus. Yeah, you guys are fast. Trying to keep up with these guys. These Sherman EUCs at 45 miles per hour and plus. That's freaking amazing. They wanted me to bring my V11. I could barely do like 25, 28 miles per hour on my V11. There's no way I would hang with these guys. I'm only selling this Super 73 S2 because I have my RX and arielrider have returned, and I was able to get my Rumble airframe E-bike working again. And so those are already like 3 fat bikes that are in the collection, and this is the only fat bike that doesn't have suspensions. But I really love the Super 73 S2 model. Just the design of this bike, everything about this bike. This is actually the model that got me into e-biking. And I've spoke about it before. If you are considering an S2 or an RX, definitely go for the, to your left. Trying to keep up with these guys. I still like the S2 more. In fact, I think I'm considering selling my RX. But there comes a point where if money isn't an issue for you, then obviously get the dual suspensions. And if you ever plan on doing a tandem ride, I would go for the RX because it's just more comfortable that way. And that's actually why I want to keep my red RX this time that I got from Charles, because I don't have an e-bike that's a 2-seater, and I want to have at least, one e-bike that's a 2-seater. What do we got here? We got more EUC riders. So this is where you guys go, huh?
Alright. Great.
Alright guys, 1, 2. Bye guys. Alright. Apparently we were speaking with EUC legend Marty. I didn't get his last name, but that's all I heard, Marty. What was he known for?
I think he started the group. He's known for breaking down EUCs and fixing them.
Oh, fixing EUCs?
Videos. He's like the godfather of EUCs.
What's his channel?
Marty Black.
Oh, cool. Marty Black on YouTube. Okay, cool.
But he's universally known as the guy. He fixes and breaks it down.
And he's local here?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Local guy around here.
Nice.
He does Mount Baldy run.
Nice. It's good to know. There you go. Marty Black, YouTuber, aka EUC Godfather, is who we ran into just now. I guess Santa Fe Dam is very popular for EUC riders, or just popular in the EV world in general, if you're local. All right, heading down to Whittier. Let's get it. Basically, adding some miles on this Super 73. I haven't taken it out since for months now. I just drive it around the block when I can, but that's not enough. So it's nice to shred a little bit here, max it here and there, and add at least 15 miles would be good for the battery. And just like with any battery health as well, you don't want to charge it to 100% unless you're actually using it to your left, and you actually want to just keep it around 70-75% charged if you're storing it, and slow charge is the best in my opinion. You don't want those fast charge. They're not really good for your battery, at least from my research. The more I ride this bike, the more I don't want to sell it, to be honest. Again, I don't want to sell it. It's more of like I have to sell it. I don't have room to park my freaking car. Between the arielrider xclass, the Rumble Air, and this S2, I like pedaling mostly on this S2. It's like, again, the geometry of it feels really nice on my back, being at 5'7" tall. And I just like lighter bikes, This is obviously lighter than the RX by like 10-13 pound difference. And you really feel that when you're like handling the bike and also lifting it up and down the SUV. And again, like for our pavement here, where I really ride, it's so smooth you don't need suspensions. You just need a really good seat. Woo. And bumps like that, just stand up. There's nothing wrong with standing up. Even with my RX and arielrider, if I see like a bump, I just naturally stand up for a bit. It's like I don't want to be too reliant on the suspensions taking care of it. You just take care of your bottom a little bit better by standing up. It's the same with this S2, I feel. Dang, EUCs, their lights are not very visible when they're stopping. I don't know, or even when they're slowing down. I guess I don't really notice it. Ooh, really muddy. That's to be expected. So this part, I haven't been to Whittier. Not in this exact part that they're taking me. But I imagine we're going to be on the street soon for the crossover. Let's see where Greg likes to hang out. Nice.
Huh? What is that bike?
This is the bike that we're probably, selling it to someone soon. I really don't want to. I really, really don't want to. It's almost like I have to. Let's get out of here. Let's head back. Alright, we're gonna head back to Baldwin Park. They asked me to lead. Why not? I'm like the slowest one here. Holy shit. What is that? That bird has an arrow on it.
Some asshole shot it.
You guys see that, right?
Yeah. What? Is there an arrow in that bird?
Yeah. But there's...
Is that an arrow in his back?
No, it's through him. through his chest and everything.
I thought it was a turkey.
Uh-huh.
No, it's not.
That's not gonna, that guy's not gonna last long. I don't think. That is nuts. Straight up arrow through his back and chest. Oh, that's sad. Man, who would be doing that? I can't believe that bird is still flying. Or was flying. Oh man. Well, we're in Whittier area and that's gonna be a dead bird soon, unfortunately. Okay, should I keep going?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Greg thinks it's a turkey. Someone's having turkey tonight. Holy smokes, the things you see. They're not always good, but it's at least you're outdoors getting some sun and vitamin D. That's going to be in today's vlog, folks. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on your Super73 arielrider or bafang middrives. Stay safe and amazing out there. See you in the next ride. Peace.